everyone, it's Beth from Sweet Tots Hair and I'm here with the lovely Dina. So I did a bride the other day and it was kind of like this curly, long, romantic down style. Everybody loved it, so I brought Dina in today. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I've done a little bit off camera because it's a bit boring. I have curled Dina's hair, but I'm going to show you which wand. So I've used a really small tight one because I want this style to be super curly. So I've just been taking really small slices of hair. So this is the wand I've been using, guys. So it's just a nice small wand. This is really old now, but I still use it, I still love it. You're just winding the hair around, but usually when you curl the hair, you curl it in all the same direction on either side. So I'd curl it all going away from the face on the right and all going away from the face on the left. But because I want a more natural look, so I've curled that one that way, I'm going to take my next section and I'm going to curl it this way. So it's not going to give a uniform curl, it's going to be more natural looking. So this one's going the opposite way again, and you'll just keep doing this all the way through the hair, alternating strand direction. So all I'm doing, guys, once I've finished that curl is just gently separating it. And then if the curl's gone a little bit frizzy at the ends, I'm just getting some dry wax spray. So this is the Sexy Hair Dry Wax Spray. You've seen me use this a lot. I do love this product. So just a little bit on the ends, and then if you just run your fingers through that, it just kind of redefines the curl for you. So just keep taking slices, guys, but when we get to this top section, we're going to do something slightly different, okay? So just keep going until you get to kind of like this area here. Okay guys, so I've kind of curled sort of 2/3 of the hair. Now this top section here, I want to start adding some height to it. So what I'm going to do is take a section like I have been, but before I do a curl, I'm going to spray and do a bit of back comb first. So I'm just pushing down on that root like that, okay? But I can't leave it like that because we don't want to see any of that back comb in this style. So you'll just gently tease out that top there. Can you see? So you can't see the back comb, but it is standing away from the head. Now, I know it's a bit of a long process, but it looks so good at the end. Making sure you're alternating those curls still, and just keep working your way through all this hair. And then all you're going to do, guys, because you've already got that back comb in the roots, I know it took forever, but it's so worth it, because if I just pick up this hair now, just literally pick it up, I'm just going to push the grips inside. So I'm just taking my long pins and I'm literally just kind of weaving them into that hair. And because the back comb is there, there's something to grip to. So I've just kind of lifted that hair up, guys, and just pushing those grips through to hold that curl. And we're going to start to bring this style in like that. Next, what I'm going to do, guys, is just really gently start to bring this hair in. So I'm just going to grab hold of one section here, grab hold of a section in the middle, and just really gently pop in an elastic, and that's going to hold much better than a hairpin now that we're away from the head and away from that back comb. So it'll just start to give the style just a little bit of structure. So just that little bit of grips at the top and those few elastics in there, and then you spray the curls. It's just given that down style a little bit of structure, and all that hard work that you did is worth it because it just lifts off the head and gives it that soft romantic look. So that is the style done, guys. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!